brushes are all dirty. Oh, this always happens. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'm gonna be playing with my Valentine's Day gift. I really hope you will enjoy this video, so grab your coffee and let's get started. Okay guys, I filled my eyebrows and I prepped my face. All the products that I used I'm gonna link down below as usual. So let's get started and let's play with this amazing palette. I mean, this packaging, guys, like, please look at this. This is amazing, right? And this color story, guys, like, seriously, it's so amazing. Let's play with it. I will start off with the shade Wild Serpent, I guess that's how you say it. And I'm just gonna pack it here in the corner. I didn't use any base, eyeshadow base. The only thing that I have is a concealer. And these shades are freaking pigmented. Amazing. So I'm just gonna pack it up here in the corner and I will bring it also to this upper part here. Now I will go with the shade Scandal Water and I'm just gonna diffuse the edges. Now with the clean blending brush, I'll just diffuse this upper part. I will go back with the shade Wild Serpent because it is normal that we're, losing it in the process. Now I'm going to do the half cut crease using the Pillow Ease base in white. Now that we cut the crease, I will go with the shade High King. I'm just gonna place it here. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna use this amazing shade that is called Wet Jewel. I will just spray the brush a little bit. This shade is pretty amazing, huh? And for the center, just to, diffuse this harsh edge here, I will use the shade Pink Magic. I'm going again with the shade High King and just bake it at the same spot just to diffuse the edges. For the lower lash line, we're gonna use the Wild Serpent and just connect with this upper part. And with the shade Scandal Water, I'm just gonna diffuse the edges. I'm going again with the shade Wet Jewels, and I'll just pack it here in the inner corner. there's a lot of fallout actually happening. Let's see. This is done. I'm just gonna finish the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, the look is done. Now let's continue with the face. I'll use this bronzer, the Hean Cosmetics bronzer. Just to give it a little bit of definition. For the blush, I'm gonna be using this color from the Sugar and Spice palette from Revolution. A little bit on my nose. Okay, that's too much. When this happens, like when you apply too much, you can always go with your sponge on top of it and the problem is solved. For the highlight, I'm gonna be using this Soph X Revolution palette and I'm gonna use this shade here. Here, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. And I'm going to use the smaller brush to apply here. Now for today's video, I didn't want to use the false lashes. I just put on a little bit of mascara. Why? Because I tried this magnetic lashes from Ardell and the reaction that I had on my eyes was horrible. My eyes were swollen like for 2 days and it hurt like hell. So I don't know if it's only me or if somebody has the same or similar experience. Please comment down below. This is the only brand of magnetic lashes that I've tried. I don't know if it happens only with this brand or with all the others, but I'm willing to try another. If you have any suggestions, just please, just comment down below. For the lips, I'm just gonna keeping it simple. So since we have this Jeffree Star cosmetics going on, I thought that maybe I will use, this lip gloss and just, keep it simple. And the gloss that I'm using is the shade Sky High. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. I'm really liking this palette. It's totally worth your money. The shades are really pigmented. You will experience a little bit of fallout, so maybe next time I'm using this palette, probably I will just do my eyes first and then the rest of the face. Besides that, the palette is really nice. I think it's worth your money. The shades are really pigmented. As you noticed, I didn't use any eyeshadow base for this look. I only put a little bit of concealer and that's it. And the shades are really pigmented. I used the eyeshadow base only for the shimmers here. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed very much filming it and playing with this amazing palette. If you want to, just recreate the look, please just tag me on my Instagram profile. I would be glad, to see all of your looks. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like this video and please comment down below if you like this look. Stay safe and I'm gonna see you next Friday. Bye!